to Co-op Ocean View, your luxury escape. Step into a world of elegance from the moment you arrive. Our grand lobby welcomes you with exquisite decor and a warm, inviting ambiance. Indulge in our stylishly designed rooms and suites, offering breathtaking views and unparalleled comfort. Savor exquisite cuisine crafted by world-class chefs. From local delicacies to international flavors, every dish is a masterpiece designed to delight your senses. Sink into plush furnishings, unwind in serenity, and wake up refreshed in pure luxury. By day, lounge by our glistening pool, cocktail in hand, as the sun kisses your skin. Take a refreshing dip or simply soak up the tranquil atmosphere. Stroll along our pristine beach, where golden sands meet crystal clear waters. Feel the ocean breeze and embrace the pure serenity of coastal paradise. Our glamping villas offer the perfect mix of adventure, luxury, and ocean views, immersed in nature with modern comforts. At Co-op Ocean View, luxury is more than an experience. It's a way of life. Our attentive staff is dedicated to making every moment seamless and unforgettable. Your paradise awaits. Bask in the beauty of summer at Co-op Ocean View Resort, a sanctuary of sun-drenched tranquility and effortless luxury. Book your stay today and discover the ultimate in relaxation.